So now let's go ahead and try it in Internet Explorer. And the first thing to know is that in more recent versions of IE, this toolbar is hidden. So if you want to get it, right-click on the menu bar and then make sure Favorites bar is selected. So unselected, selected. And then I'm just going to go ahead and click Add to Favorites. And I'm going to edit this one. So Properties. And the general I'll call WCAG. And then the web document URL is going to be the same bookmarklet as before, almost. So here's the problem. Internet Explorer is expecting this to all be in one line. So I'm going to copy the whole thing and create a new tab and paste. And then I'm going to replace all of the end of line characters with nothing. So extended mode, I'm going to replace \r\n. That's carriage return line feed. If you're working on Mac, it may just be carriage return, or it may just be line feed in Mac, and it's probably just line feed in Linux. And I'm going to replace it with nothing. So replace all. And now I have one really long line. And let me shorten this up a little bit. So I'm going to replace all space, tab, carriage return, new line, all of those with one space. Oops. Undo that. Let's try at least one space, tab, carriage return, or new line. There. All right, so now I have one line. Copy it. Go back to Internet Explorer. Properties again. So paste that in for the URL. And I'll go ahead and change the icon. So C, XAMPP, htdocs, WCAG, and here's a favorites icon for it. And OK. So now let's go to www.pcc.edu and press our button. And we should have the same things highlighted as before. Now if I hover over this, it looks pretty much the same except for this weight is showing as 400 because 400 is normal, 700 is bold. So this one's bold, so it shows as 700. And if I like that, it's fine. I prefer having it say normal or bold. So I'm going to go ahead and make a change to the code for that. So here's where I put the text together for weight. And I'm going to change this to say is bold weight question mark. So if it is bold, I'm going to put the string bold there. Otherwise, I'm going to put the string normal. And so that's going to affect both Internet Explorer and Chrome. Now, I probably have to exit my browser and restart. It's unfortunate. Yeah, so exit, close all tabs, start. So here's PCC. And now if I hover over, did I save that? Let's check. Yes, I saved it. Well, let's see which version of the code I'm running. So F12. And script. WCAG. Yeah, so it's still got the old one in there. Let's go ahead and try Control F5. Now it works. Okay, so normal and bold. So now let's go ahead and try Firefox. And go ahead and delete that existing WCAG button. And I'm going to create a new bookmark. Name will be WCAG. So the location, let's see if it'll take the big one. Take the whole bookmarklet. See if that works. Yep, so that works. And add it. And now I'm going to go to www.pcc.edu and hit the button. Looks good.